Yeah, that means I must say, we are body or same year the new force for a announcement because with you. Osha came Paluta and no baroni, some more cacadia. You know, no baroni Usa. Caneno. Who could be there when I saw the pictures of him from Michael Jackson. And I can say Jimmy Cliff, Mooney Bob Marley. When I only what time is it? All the pictures are about them. They wouldn't the oka. I can't know. Oko guy and get to now was Jimmy Cliff, Michael Jackson, cause Bobby Brown. Now we have picture the crown had a boho. It's only a tough guy. Top. William the oka. Shit. Now the Bob Marley about. Oh, no picture no crown had a boho. It's not quite the first thing. Go join to picture. Why you in the rest and what to question when you had their boy? Hey, Jeff from them was a hot chain with you. Near Rex, and I said, wow, name some woman, Rivoli, Rex, Rio, that. And the joke. Sata am the shark, I mean, Kundiwa, and I was there with the Nibraba. You feel my share, no, Bushia, the Sangwa. Oh, no, Barnia, American Ninja by now. You know, it's here than us anyway, and also, Kaka and money be, as I say, one was a brabono, Sanet here. A binum beti Kaka, Kuni Mum, a binum beti daddy lumba, nature, someone, a year, a can say, Bizwa beti, Kojan, that lumba, names will be no suit, in no baron, Nickim Paluta. Because boys no money number by and TV, but almost there was indeed the chaser. Baby, I doing life, no. Ya track or man or additional here to be sako. And I want them say, a vine, near Cosa. Tiana no baron in there, but with one more the other cheddar. You wait to me cheddar at me. I but cheddar, catch the say a name, Moshe, make a cheddar, me say, Yenya Kuma, a year, Kwame Bediako. Is that correct? Kwame Bediako, catch say. The party, the new force. Only among your MPP and this is almost our party, Minu and Angazano. Abreyas in terms of impuntu near Kanko. It was a coin up at Dahose, Osha or Dutch in our team Kratano, Sonama or Dutch Yassasa. Now, a process. Process need to try electoral commission for Gus or Mutrocho. I'm saying Yajao. What the 18 and our Diablo 18 now on Churo with the Inquadia. Sa Quanyano. Limited exercise here because share na kochro din na bibia nko kama so almost say san komo omo ne wudi bia na pese bibi komo foforo bi wa chiro pese onyo mu dia number be friend is 053 110 0081 053 110 0081 na watimi ne won edin kita wana bibia akokama edi amawo nti the one no na fe wa wudi wa woda ne bia nso no it's a happy birthday sonko ana me de emao happy birthday wa wudi wa woda sonko ene e wa woda happy birthday ana me de emao Paul Griffiths say enche bia surprisingly we na makoma ko 32 as a lawyer be late pa na say enye ne ba ana ne school no ka na amantem in social and the Yakobona Basso Cassipa and additional Sonko Akusiama, Bibini or Dabro from what you make your candy for and share the Sabas bodies once a member. Say, no, in common, oh dear, and then a tomatoes who could just what can turn back year 2000. Maybe a home common. Well, I call a Nima market. Oh, so I come there. A wood. Would me to be a come? No, can turn back with 2000. Tomatoes. Yeah, I don't catch him say a white aqua tree. I agree that a seasonal, but that is where we need to also go beyond the normal thinking. Say a bunny busia. What can we do as a people? Say they be a bet me and something to store because you know, even my device here the tomatoes are by. Yeah, there a boom titia so anka boom titia so bo free boom titia so kontomre you know I'm torn and one tomatoes contain nima 2000 okay mekuti se me nsa yem sei no 50 cedis okay mekuna de se go ba akosa So what is me kuno to say no. Buy the 30 cities here baako. Buy the 30 buy the 30 cities. And me na me die ni makoto. Opoku na fe na wawa ye no. E 50 fia bi. Opoku na fe na wawa.
Na mo na nso nam na wonsu no wo munya de ni ntezi.
Akatoa ma abuka na gushi mu ende akatoa na gushi.
Yeah.
But I don't know, 250 cap kasi no.
Cap no longa de.
I think so. Me myself na make am.
I'm too.
Ana apem no. Ona me se me pro ni aba. Omo hwan enan e ma me 20 Ghana city.
Eye metem 9. Metem ma.
Yes. We enuro nya say. If say enuro achi na make am so. Ani nyina mu no. The American say dey na yesua film because nipa sign na sebe. You know, look at the drawway. It's almost 3,000 Ghana city. Mentor oil.
Dabi
mentor any aibia se kontomiri se kobio se other additions bi
squad ya na mu se we
yeah and one of course maybe one na media so that is the kontomiri mai kobi mai nti nchiri kwa the influence o ye dey any boy dey say dey o ti buy pia so banchi kura me wure mu bibia wure mu nti you are then I'm asking myself say how many average homes in this country? That's where my challenge is. Yen timi nka say yen ekwan bi so yen timi nka say yen privilege. Yen ekwan bi so onyame adom ye a bit privilege. But if majority of the people struggle to make sure somebody menya konkonte cry be a paint rubber 120 cities and atwa. And it just still minor your kwantwa in terms of enipa do draw na no wono ho a ebe hare omo quickly anopen by no me frɛ mi nua baako sunyane
okay
ana ye nkomodi na business na sunyane so prices no you know and 170 say I'm beginning to feel that yenye careful kakra as Ghana addition ampa ye pemfa so de but ye ni amre a adwadifo no be kuyenfa adwadifo ni bi no mo ebe kuyenfa so dodo a ye pe if we say emo Western Dedel say you the mount 80 cities at least 90 or 95 at West 100 and you're bad by the mount 80 now the bed just so now between 130 Ghana city and I don't know how they are calculating their percent you know now begin to say you know didn't come on you homobo
okay so I'm say they okay I mean let me drop my political lens. Be in Nkomo. As citizens. You see, enema eko I mean enema bobo si atosodie I mean say I mean fie enema ya de enuane. Ne boom no. The adwadifo no hwe no eye one key thing that determine price air transport. That is a very key thing. Me sure say wonim say yemam ho baby ba ko edua ntos dodo pa ya komadan ne bono ho no kakra no enclave that enclave on edua ayi pa so a tell say nkran ye nua ntos wa ha it is ye nua ntos won kan ya na me de free akomadan na beba ya santimamu ana beba mi hia kia taxi bi no akofa no free akomadan de abem won kan onu so to diesel na reko and the diesel no 1 liter e bi akoto an ba ko e 14 cedis and over almost 15 cedis it yemusi am said do sign no beto to go to Kumasi or Akumadan outside Kumasi and then come back to Accra Abugloshi and Anima will be yamame ye need your mokanti driver na check him so no what also meeting fu on separate esanya ne faso intika what the ban normally be anka okofa let's say 50 boxes of tomatoes and the bre maame ata ewo ye nima market wo what the bre maame ata normally nkobeji maame ata let's say 1,000 Ghana cedis in and out of Kumasi or tin fu free mu not in first wa e bi obi nya faso bi e better na Ghana bi was because cow na train sika di cow na sika no ye mfa ntopetru on the woman cow na sika na da akwa no wudi mi ngaza cow na sika na sika mi ba na be to fu egu kan da bi obaji ni sales na so ye man no obaji. So you must get that and once you know as a person also pekakra so obewe kini nya abeto so no na let's say transfer price ne was so instead of be 1,000 normally now he's going to charge Mamiata let's say 1,500 or charge 1,500 na mama attack or 20 toast let's say so one to be about 2,000 per box. You want to be okay, but let's say be about 1,000 cedis per box. Yeah, that kind of back. Or 1,000 cedis. And now my around tell you on watching the same to number work transport on what extra of the 2,000 cedis per box. It was the 2 year. The next component over here is on some fast work.
It's 1,000. Maybe we are that can go 2,500.
Yeah, alright. Unza de ba kwa na metaye se na me de cars ba. What the car ba? Free 2012 am free car ba. Shipping fee for saloon cars. Any 4x4 in changing that. 2012 to today, shipping fee saloon is still 1,200 USD. 4x4 1,500 USD. Utunda so is media me ba Canada to Ghana. 1,500 USD as shipping fee. Mentua mo. Et the sabe pum na me no tete we hu ayekasa. Na wo ma de asesa. The asesa eye currency, the exchange rate.
Awodina abafo.
Akofom. Enu ntino so obi kotoka Africa Canada na de ba Ghana. Car na mu bo eye first component awo check. The obi otoka no $3,000. Shipping air 4x4 until $1,500. I $4,500. Obedu at the next component a duty while working on so duty so and yeah the dollar and the share dollar near 15 cedis and they work duty now our port it was not duty no so no what kaka and bonus shipping no duty no kura brosa
but anya say e brosa keke o mo ho be aduasa
what I say it was not the same one so no bia obedu duty bia about number 50,000 now what the no be count these three are constant figures or rates I want to be just wrong. The shipping, the cost of the car, the duty, constant. And some of them okay, but I can't my power grave. So for that reason, I need profit. So the profit is all the better so. That's the fourth component. Sometimes you can lose part or even whole of your profit, but you can't lose your actual car price, the shipping fee, and your duty. Because I never know what man.
And now in Komobi so cost. Some of our agents, freight forwarders,
yeah,
come we book at Adom.
I can't say no to that.
Yes, some of our personal friend out there dancing. So I had to intervene and get explanation from customs. If you are chino, na agent na no popro so because adia ono my agent watching 87,000 Ghana cedi. Adia ni na groceries. Agent na called Daniel ni one for groceries na nkwa yen nkrata o. What is nyoma different bi kwa na akwa nkrata. Ama say machine na detect here who says say na nkontompo na we den udi it as we speak now no e ka 400,000 Ghana cedi
about 20 pounds because of somebody's negligence
because agent is person obiti say 87,000 no kono this at the end so I don't know but I am very worried so I don't know how we can but the money hunja me kwa me kan church the money was the ordinary Ghanaian.
Yeah.
We can be can make us
yeah.
The ordinary Ghanaian, if we are not careful.
Yeah.
Bread and butter and trace is becoming very difficult.
So now the man I didn't say. Abrantia was to say yenum bia when the salary per month is about 3,000 cedis. Unfortunately,
now you can't say.
And I was already. Hey.
Who got 3,000 Ghana cedi Abrantia was Ghana Abrantia no or chief executive over there.
Not so. I'm
surprised at you. We are looking at the average Ghanaian about 800, 900, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 for one year secured position prior 2,500.
Yes,
I'm telling
you. So what they said, okay, you have 1,500 as an average. Any example?
Yeah.
So if my salary is 1,500 cedis, Messi na kotoka ne boy about 100,000 Ghana cedis. How can I pay? Because based on my salary, no bank will give me that amount of money even as a loan. Because per the law, no, would oblige loan na more than 40% of the income. So maximum 40% of 5,000. Sorry, 1,500. Then the large, to the long effects in the say. Now I can't buy, I can't do anything. Or no so what the aba. Say mama I can say mo go into those what they go say beta fat madam for me they can say we or hata or turn no.
But eventually I had to get it on credit. Me man 1,000. Yeah, eventually.
Tomatoes.
Yeah. On credit, me 1,000. I had to wait a minute. When you cry, my customer when they dig just access to free access. Eventually, I had to pay thousands.
You be compelled to drop everything that you are buying.
And this morning, the reflection is that now I know why a reasonable percentage of Ghanaians are virtually becoming beggars.
Yeah.
More fun, Chemi. And when you have food, you want I need your person or yen.
Yeah.
Yes, and yes, a human on person. One, a human cry challenge. Even though we still sit on radio and TV and say, we are quite for one pejuma and no cotton. I saw that on cry. You need a basic 500 Ghana cedis as a base.
Yes.
To jump up and sell more. Where is that 500?
Yeah, for crying 22 cities.
Where is that 500 cedis coming from?
21 cities.
So these are the basic conversations. And I'm asking.
Yeah.
I don't think I said maybe I'll be maybe I will be home. So we are building on a corrupt society.
Exactly.
We will continue to be corrupt and corrupt and corrupt.
Because the system is compelling people to get into that state. And the money I did my neighbors are not 5,500 but in the Miami and some or hand dying. Wouldn't cry down bones. Said we'll miss a day or two or 2 fee. It's 1,500 or need him for a girlfriend. If you are not about who no, I mean, these are the realities.
Real.
These are the realities. And your girlfriend always expect you, or your wife always expect you. So once you are the man, you must.
You need to provide.
And you know, if you want 1,500,
I know the Mahakwe was about somehow some way shared responsibility. About the Bema, I say, but I know the.
And no crown, a whole crown, no crown. Now what do you do because of Shady? I mean, handled cases upon cases in the UK. So it's a problem.
So finally, I think we can appeal to the conscience of Ghana for one in your hold public officers or shape the narrative. No more say you are sitting and beating me a home Harry Kakano. Mr. Remo, a young man yourself, you know, a how a war abattoir. So I say, how a war abattoir. And he said, you didn't come on, you know who say, a coin ben, I beat me a fashion massa, a how we know, I know beat me a brass. Young as a bit me year for your crowd. That is impossible, but as a son, no brass. Then you part do announce to a certain kind of living. Well, virtually, we are becoming beggars. We are becoming beggars. Painful. Who can afford to do anymore? They are desperate. They are frustrated. You know. So let's be careful how we are managing ourselves as a country, as a people, and public office holders. And until I am a catcher, so when you are basubodi kwa bema, so Ghana 40 was my kwa bema. Say, I may struggle to cover a yemi dance. In chance same work cannot make Jania question. Now and then be a quenya a bema within a split of a year. How do I put between that 10? We are abusing the system too much. Whether you are in power, you hold public office, let's be modest in whatever we do. Let's think of the majority of the people are almost sure that Jaho. Young president do not bit match or more earlier back. When they say, oh, two coin out, and you may cost. Now, Ghana 4 billion so much system no Mushebra. I see. It's very painful. It's very painful. We have to, in as much as we want and we continue to be proud Ghanaians, we feel that all of us, especially people elected into public office, we have a responsibility to put a smile on the faces of all of us. Very, very important. Now, according to us, expenditure levels, maybe a day fan. A year 2 money, a trade, a cool 2 money, trade. So can it be cultivate how to save and use money. Cultivate it. I'll give you the lawyer share now. No, I don't know what I can do. I know I did.
With you for I don't pay him say reality community because unyania
you are faced with it
those are the
because
real issues.
one city it mean my passenger
those are the
a
real issues.
vomit man teacher.
Yeah.
I was just telling him that.
This year I don't cast us.
And talk about man vote me cool.
50%.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Wow.
I was just telling you.
The realities.
I'm telling you. Who does that? I'm saying that I've made certain interventions. Maybe we'll come between 5 city 10 cities. Then I was saying, one city what body.
Yes. Because no be an 3 cities na aka on ho.
They will calculate the transportation for you. Be amazed. Or no call you free cash. So I can't obviously a second, no acquire. It was who missing the one city.
What no?
Tripling in us.
Because we no or what the exact figure the same bottom. Not more, correct?
I mean, chair with for. I mean, chairman, you're my lawyer. To be fair, we are senior. Ghana, so
that's very true.
Unyanya no pay be no dey true. I mean, they be make a trade me musia for say as a German ye yegu nkofo bi botom. Because so many person aketi obetua ama nkofo mu ye dependent on you na doso. But we shouldn't be discouraged. Nyama okan tomatoes bo ne jene bo as they say, I can go as far as going to the borough in Saron. Because a whole cheaper.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
So it been go very, very, very far.
Then for almost our market, I'm like, Cape Quanaso.
And I giant pet chicken, a pet, a call a crassy aqua chicken ibiato. Weekend, we go to chicken, watch motor. At Chimota market.
Yeah. But chicken, they were to Abraham on Mabatwaka, Jifamco. Go to the Quantum. And no mama education and name we want them. Well, we talk to them over, but I'm more careful.
Watch what I market here, and be able to feed.
The basket is the same for sure.
It's never boy, but I say very encouraged.
Yeah.
Jumadia e shay ensano day to day living. In Boabia, you be to me dia boa. Because so Nyankopon ankasa ni sure the amount and for open. For we are safe and inti. We feel no 200 cities, 100 cities. So we be an watching, you know, 150. Also, the never so now. Also, Eddie.
And you when you're being so much a lawyer, no power give in your mind, a supporter, but they abuse that opportunity. They abuse it. Therefore, no soon to judge. Baby, I this can in the crown so bread. I have to be honest with you.
No, but I'm saying that the money that we also don't have.
Maybe I this can because sometimes you drive to town and there's absolutely nothing on you.
Exactly.
But people believe that you will more day. And
what does it come out?
Yeah, most of you say I didn't in free mutim. Yeah. And then they be now the that when you be a man, see the panel in 3 more days. You know,
the voice and so beka ho ama omuton ne man. Okay, so man pay na do dan kwaku for infinite trade no. Or yeah, ni economic lecture no. Or catch ready for say mumbo mode na monso niema ni bu ono ma monteso. Say bi akwakofa ade na say oton 100 cities if you cry na bi oba masamai. Now person turn 180. Say ubu go for.
And I think one of the areas which is here in the park cost of production is so one no. Ama any amount for time and no paste at a cheaper price because of Ghana paste na here na me paste be a day. Maybe 12 cities. Now man on the 8 cities. Me industry for instance in Koko Funi Akofa Bay. So okay so very fresh akokwa. You know, Kesian broiler no. It's hovering around 180 200. And 170, 180, 190, 200. Anna, layer no, 150, 140, 120.
Imported ones in
there be fresh ones, live beds.
Okay,
no?
yeah, they are live ones, okay.
Then no cast of baby at you. If you pick the broiler, I heaviest now. I know you 200 or 180.
Okay.
Ghana City. So I could go full box about 350.
Okay.
This is a bushman be money, but only 150, but so no matter 350. 350 can serve the whole week. But broiler can say 180, 200. Uche pa.
One day.
A minute and a year 1 meal. And our kilos, for kilo back, about 22 or 25 Ghana City. So we took kilos, so we took even 3 kilos, 60 Ghana City. And Nama who do a back kilo, 3 kilos is bigger than a broiler and cotton 200. So we should also be mindful of cost of production because a queer phone in cocoa, young phone in punching young phone in Nano. Ushe buona ene aponchi untimi to kilo. Kit aponchi because Ghana ni aponchi you. Ini aponchi farm so. You can free Mali ni Niger ni any appointed farm because the farm konko aka say or supply hotels now we are short to complete. That's why we are working. That alone. There are also opportunities in Agrica. A bit we come punch your faba, then create your faba, and you acquire the man can be going system. Tomo go race so have no you you are three or more free outside the country and the diaba. So it's a problem.
And Agrica
Okotoy, Agrica opportunities the system. Huge, very huge.
And then it will take me to the question, sir. Yabokatam sika ebro opepim ahensia na chire. Over 600 million Ghana cedis in that.
Planting.
See the planting for food and jobs.
Planting.
Ye the nnuane, ye command nnuane na ye dua dodo mu mana buso. Sabi tafra to fa na say me go school da. Ade bia na buso na do so minia. Ne bo nya de bi.
Yeah, ne boy.
Ne bo na ba yafo. So my question is say e ba na say ye ko dua na sa according to aban na so wo ye adwuma no. So let's take it on the face of their work. So they really, involve themselves in that mass production or mass planting or whatever. In Tintos, Nidian Bibri, Cobra, a Bruni and Bibri, Makuri and Bibri, Bibia, Jen and Nidian Bibri. Why are we still buying them expensive? So it brings a big question mark. Sadly enough, Cobra, you really said Jumano, the first phase, whether fortunately or unfortunately, Ghana was declared a mine. Ufa be mine a global 54 as one boom Africa no. Ghana no mine na ye ne bo a cost shrink 10 times of as inflation and inflate highly or speedily. So the question again is that how and why should that be the case? When abanya so man for boss say me person dey an buy phone sorry e bo buy dinti me ya producing more na abuso so eba ne saying ne the terms as secretary dey say akoye say adwuma na still no an ye gina pempenso say and na ko odwum dum ntontos o me ntontos say even go say mbo from bontin bampo ya sa say to so Ghana 100 million ntontos entra me dey akoma dan dey e say tu abodom nyam dua bi ho so akoma dan that enclave na dey ko bono no in those area it ye gan do me betmenya so e ba na say ko na banche ko afran place wo twa nso no wi anachi ensase egu amanfo de banchefo enyin sase keto so we can produce cassava in trillions of quantities you was na Ghana would travel by road and I say ensase ni yenyusu yo ensase ko yenyusu yo what about take it from Accra to go na ka de hwesase egu a aye forest a yen nahwe wo so egu okeke Accra to Kumasi Accra to Koforidua you Accra to Campus you see lands
yeah
virgin lands are feeling so ewura na force bebre go enti ye what dey betim dey produce ye fa bi ana yen so na go ban ya dom kwabra wo fie kura wo tutu fifi na dua dey be amanabo
in my house we will make anankruma yes
and that one and kan ya raso na kom when ya ayi o bono na ka chimre ba na kasa wo dey ayi and kan ya sa na wo kasa wo fie no so we can do it
if I do point because na me yen kokko ni mponchi but Africa
yeah
you have to just look out for a better place.
Why you use number mekan enti na
Enti mo franchise say you divert from maybe active but we a very important conversation.
And my way ya da upo enne
of course.
And to go pray on tontos 10 cities there wadaroma say 10 you see so
Saturday me koto koko I like plantain a lot.
Yes.
Saturday me koto. Debi ni ayeton na meche no.
Okay.
So inti nipa na ton no me kwano papa be 6 a.m. Na nipa na ton no ni on nti obi fufro na ton ma.
Yeah.
And o ka chem so bako like one
Otibako
say 8 cities. Kese no. It's later offer nipa na ye ne dia no. Nipa na ka chem say there be 10 cities.
Inflation can over.
So into me top 5, not say 5.
All right.
Man, for 50 cities.
I don't know. Me no be near area that to
I was shocked.
Yeah.
I was shocked.
Ko isi le go enemy ya. What dey point?
Me be tell mu maka wa me say me gina ha cho. Ana me to kokwa ya to.
Kwa atoto.
Ni kokwa atoto na me to. Ana ya pai mu for one.
But back on the for ai.
Eti me page na ma me be say oh because all my 5 because I'm say a 2 so it gets to 10. Go be my Jimmy Suez in check. We are not media one. Hey, who to come now? Who there we see? Who your mathematics? Timi no ya na me say na ma num na say ba calculate today kuta na. Oyi ba e no. Ba ko 5 Ghana.
Correct. The 20 cities no.
Edi we share me board na me make us be 20. Be da me say. Hello. I don't know. Aye. But who could now? Yes, I have never been okay till this morning.
So exactly.
Where have we got into?
Yeah. Body but to me atwam atoto.
Correct. Inti mo my boy ho so. We are Kenya no. Ampa abai was certain responsibility. Yense was certain responsibility. Ampa jitum so say we are seeing na so no. Enye easy because me nuanom so mo ama na mo ka so mo rent. Ebi no adwuma and the groceries ne kra na mo se ne bo no. You know? Enye joke into yesremo.
And say abroje rent no so say bosum bia na dua.
Exactly, that's another point.
Our rent bosum 1 year na that day. Bosum bia bosum no say man ko yi that time.
Yeah.
Na u kotua 1500 USD as renter.
Wo ba jawu pa. Be kan ho ni nkomo next 3 minutes because you be call mula phone komo no. On 0302 211 equals 4. 0302 211 701 equals 4. One say ye share wa ha se Ghana for na ye amanyo sem cheno atofom ti brasa na wo so be kira adwene betimi afa so betimi abo ma nyina no e ho be hare because kodwom pe crowd ye nkana sem pe untimi ntop o top na nwa crowd ye kan nwa ho asem ye ze woni so abiri
mi wo bi tweet am say tweet bi na ya about nwa obra nwa wo dofuo hye na so to busu abako na nwa na pai o
but that was it na nwa mo ko say na say akowure mo bi na ko say na hima chile da wa 0302 211 equals 4 Nkoma Ayedi, also, what can you contribute to it? 0302 211 701 equals 4. Whilst I wait for you, may Kyle say, yeah, old Malta Guinness no, is still on. And he make sure, say, you see, crowded, Jankasa. It's a very authentic refreshment and rich with immune boosting B vitamins. Oh, Joe, ice cold Malta Guinness. Now what chili? Na bibia kwa kama edema. Always check say a made in Ghana. Check it, it's very important. Inti Malta, yeah, your favorite Malta Guinness. No. I know 0302 211 701 equals 4. Nkoma Ayedi. Maybe you want to be a part of the conversation. Now so they actually because nonkono game park father ma ye kohe neti mula say onyame betide ni match ama nonkono and dumi no beba ana no nsia de bia na de me catch on say adensa ya yentimi mbo nyame soboda enti hwene so na bibianko. Okay, so some of your text messages whilst we wait for your call no about making time out. We say and Kejua just in you've lost your mom yako kesepa anamdema. These times are very tough times, tough moments. Onyame ma sa hode no na Fetchasa Brett say. Good morning, my I'm an MPP member, but I admire Lawyer Chum's style of communication devoid of insults and arrogance. Max Shaw, Chelimbalem, Ufri, Telensi, and Audiabre. Good morning. Apom to say. Christopher, good morning. Apom to say.
Adom,
Christopher, good morning. Apom to say.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Nkoma amudi na me pese me de manu tum kakra. I think say isi Ghana no ayedene. Ni me ko nani enye amanyo sem. Na timanifo na nkasa so yetimo odene. Obi kota de 10 cedis a ofese onya mfaso times 10. Efri eno so. Iti eno na ama iti no oman no mu ayeden no na ne me ko nani. Na ebe de say ne ma besia ko na chibi nte timanifo no se anse san ha de ne dia. Okay,
that's it. Amankwa Apom to say. Amankwa apom to say. Okay, so yeah, Amankwa. Mama for friend you chat to. Good morning. Apom to say. But you more feeding na because me kasa o te no. But on countless occasions we've told you. Okay, so good morning. Apom to say.
Yami Adom
Good, it's you.
You. Your family and I can kasa free steady at tiny so. Penny Cassia, Mukoma Mugi, Ed. The Timnia lawyer, Sam, and me paying us some more car, and a Yanidian. Now, program was a Ghana and Casano, and the Yamisas and Partnerson of Mkoku. Program of the CA and Karamotam was saying so. For European work of Buskan, for Bia Pese, for Cookroom, no, so what they empty. Do now, a call of food. And to do now, they used to Manama Delina Buno yet. And the other about Senna. Because as I use somewhere, you talk banking, cry, you think entity. That was science. People and into saying 3 hopeful. Many of them will look to media when push at the Bebanito because they not will be a classic.
That's very true. That's very true. We be with a talk of why shock. Oliver Machete to say.
Yo, my hand for brass and made that was the so mamma cry mamma, but Adom TV so and I'm praying. Oh, my hand make a separate domain crew. Now, we said domain could would join and a power. But my hand, men say, I cost you a high faker. Such a politics are baba the record room. A working hard guy like me, the cost from Mayor must say me, I order that. But some of my name was what? Open my Badwam Mpensenpensenmu. That's my old baby. I look in the Mlanten Boma or more Pesamu Chomufri, Jumano.
Okay.
And a beam on my name is Samo, I see with a national interest. I say my by fast letter honor. Yes, say, Labor Union for 4 members and I was late. But say, disaster, it is a Kawana could the top of information outside. Because Labor Union for representatives of more slate board. The government and what is the essence of their presence in that institution?
The Doma for the idea is 7 grand a year. Mamma watch and Kwame, which one? Only friend out to. Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's see. I'm a bit of food in another idea. My bomb basso, come and say, Mam. Now, a year and senior year came. But in Sabaton, I am say, and come on, improve your railway networks now. If can time my private sector memoir. A bit here, 1 million war. In crashing net never good at a cheaper cost. Because we are yet a gap home, but solution yet. The rail sector.
Yeah.
It's one of the
fantastic. We need to develop our rails very well.
Also, I think I buy a dream. Now, only on my hand, now me will Beijing. Time and now I buy a testy rail. Now many business investors be table who aiding. No who say obi the car kwako si on mama. Real no akwakonya accident. Na fide me me guase. Say how on earth say you testing real? No be the car kwako si.
Be the shark si.
Oh. I said yeah, my you no very backward.
Dabi. I say I don't has no.
Bobia cobra.
Negligence on both parts.
Of course.
On the part of and test then the reckless driver was of course.
So ya baba kedamase mo amore a lot of your text messages about saying komono. We should extend it nampa. Edibia also Fatu asuko be abona preach that message. Yetimi this ankomo the whole day. Ti edamase na de nyame ma ne betwa mu say yen kai ho say nyoma nkoyi. Just yet na se na ehihye nyoma yi. Lawyer Chumwa and say sounds on a power grave and so on say wrap up in the next 15 minutes. Well, I suppose you can suffer full, is that correct?
Yeah, some more topics, one of the issues that we so COPEC, right? So that's where from.
Yeah, that kind of more.
I almost say prepare to pay more for petroleum products at a pump.
You're prepared to pay more.
To pay more. Now there's a number one be a year it's a 15 cities, it's a 14 point depend. Besan more than baby you're ready to say you betray more. Na me tini say ya na me se film kakra. De ma me se film no nya bone so. Na mbom no eye hu me hu ne se se tia se se you know. Aban o teso na no nya na so be boa yen wasa kwan no so. Oba me di nema me ensampa e be gina wa akasem. Enema ense nema me ensan ye nema me ensan saban no e do so but me ma fam me ensan because of ability. Saban na de to kode be obehwe ni ma bia through this nema me ensan kafu obo no nko ba bia nam no. The first point investing in refinery. Saban awtewe aye na dwen se obeboa Ghana fo anko aboa ye pa. Hwe yeti aye kasai me no atena di sen komo on countless occasions e fatama oil refinery agu eho anya djuma. Kwaba the rationale behind toll say ebema yen 70% of our consumption ti Ghana oman yi no petrol ni diesel ni de kaka ho biara kerosene ni de ben ni nyina no consumption ja dodo a ye hia oman yi mu no emu ham gyemo do so ana to betuma refine de amayen e ofie na ham gyemo aduasa 30% ni yakọ petrol amanone e de aba abesoso na dumpuma ni mo ha. Unfortunately yet yande amato agu ne now to doesn't refine. Now so that's all hope say John Dramani Mahama shebo say oba said your ma to ye adwuma asa 2016 na enyam faso kwabra di wadanse na to dran na so ma ye kan ne boss bo mu to no refine na to na boss so store the reserve part no for the country no what the best Sunday ababiem apega to je de dran na so enro da yin so wasan akosisi biem akere e bro ko that stakeholders meeting with the people in the downstream no wasan akosisi biem de akere say he's going to invest in refinery. Because it is one key thing as a buying beer in the new shop. Petrol burning cost sa because I said the different one thing better one. What the 100% na better. Dollar no so born iron din to the bar automatically on so be the more boarding. Name mo see refinery wo ha ye ne dollar bi ani asem. Fi enfidie ni si enfidie na dandra de nani enya from the crude ye benya petrol afri mu enya diesel enya aviation kerosene enya kerosene ankasa enya gas nyina de afri mu sani mo wonyina atama refa na esi wetimi yo na ba na se na fofi anto ata na nadwuma ti sen kwabena ye dwuma trase ahwema nadwuma yi protete eseye. So that point alone confirms that the government is not ready to fix our problems by being that extremely negligent on the part of toll. Number 2, currency stabilization. You see car dollar ntimi ni nko na so ntimi ni nantimu. Na one number or not what take dollar so sorry dollar ni take isi dis so basa. But the high Adom ko gina say yet yano mampani bi be ka kire say sabita frat nyansanim na ya abeya manwo bonne pen be man watams $1 na so ko san basi dis mu a na yesika sidi ni miensa ene etiripo 74 it was son 9. It doesn't make sense to them and Adom Kufuado. Into a man the vice president and you and Otisu can say one bar they will arrange $1 and jump in their first 100 days of in office no we did not seem person Ghana for the Nkomoka Ghana for say dollar no what chinesi enti e manu musu biem amama for bon some man say wayade the kind or they say ayo and minus and pa check here but an policy at here ya kasa no dollar so also to be at sample dia koto bibi na say da ko bibi expect something about 14 cities
14
yes ne no understand how me it will turn 14 cities no and I say 14 cities no OMC na no and I say BDC no call you want to say bia kata and Afghanistan and I said be a Russia and I be kofa crude or be French product or they brew one no ashes kadi do asidi do kabo mo kunya say dollar no rate no enti eni dia moka say di kan earlier on what the bar automatically ade ne bo no be koso and now I am a policy na mo wo mu no so aka kire mo say fuel bo no mo ba tom per two things exchange rate and inflation is much me from a so no kwa na eko I think it's around 25% yes a good so cost no ema from but I thought 15% inflation was incompetence level it's about saying na 15% no incompetent in boy and incompetent no so how will you describe 25%?
Very competent.
Extremely incompetent.
Very competent.
Extremely incompetent. And no say ni ba crazy aka to so so ba enye ye. My last point. Storage reserve. You see the rationale behind say your bust is you. And say you product you finish product enya no bust the be sia ma yen. For that ye ho kyeremu nti. Enti wo the siesa na ka bo na ya din sabre no. O release gum na ya nya more supply. And the very time our product you ever do so wodwom no. Ne bo nya din biom. Keza what I say? Product in bo ever do so wodwom ne bo nya e ya din biom. Because there is more supply. So about the annual price here then ecofom. Now as we speak, that entity is even now doing an OMC job. Already. They also no reserve product in Mumma. Now who trem and young here more and no we're down important. And again it tells you that the government is not focused. It tells you that the government doesn't know what they are doing. Because I wouldn't know their oh yeah. Said where my boss is meaning so why are you not doing it now? Why are you not helping the situation now? And I know some company have when you meet you. So it's my orders. I'm orders to me. Not as abroad no dear. It's a number one more training who's in chance among and 2 months say. Yes, sir.
For Lucia. Maybe I have
ne kwa premuni me disi ko amamuni abamu the American answer petrol bo metina kofom if government of the day it decides say ma ba me say ma de agusu e also it's about 10 bullet points but a brain ho 3 out of them are my site no saban that so the same me say pempo makan to some I mean investing in refinery and then currency stabilization obey ho adwuma ama your reserve no so na e boss so timi agina na so yi a anka yeni obi edin no but obi adre no sabe nipo be woni kra nkyere dia aka na ye ba kope
obi wa na kra kyiri bi
dabi nipo be woni kra ono wo ma ne dia wo kwayi professor roman fo ehye wutuku nu so kra se obeko dabi abedre ni dia ba kope de wo mu ni nyina no se di onu ye no obasa be ye di
I see.
So
you need me any John
Dramani Mahama. Because why be paying my child boss not told you know I dance there and there will be any movie and would do what I say and what I could in the making. So that's oh boy man. And Yaku for the Bam was Edmund. I don't remember by Fessica. It's needing when the second Yamia the month. It's something December. Wow, what's here and you'll be a warrior. You know, I have 4 kinds of a bit of me. Oh, of course, I saw my control. Okay. What to say about a power? If we said about me, and that's when you.
I see. When I say, Auntie Austria, Tamale, good morning. Thank you for watching. Samson, Patrol Laundry Services. Also, Tibahi, Menshia, also Laundry Service, Papa Okumas. Good morning. Also, Wajibra, also, thank you for your time. But, Pawgif, wrap up.
Bruh. Many are true, Berima. And Konono work candidate in Oswa for NDC. Essence of immunity. And I call stand the part there. And can decision and can make it be that will be as and can make it. But any true Berima war wins.
This is in the here.
It's a year
trouble.
And I want my one can say.
I have a say, Mia Casaminia. Mindia Tumberma, me penase, me mammy Tumberma. Minna Bema see Tumberma. It's mere minia me penase. Or propose for Obifufo. so no why you be that and yeah. But let's stick with the issues. Fango sema yekin. Obekaya yede nkomo bi be your friend gold reserves. Ye gold for oil policy near the buyer. Now over the years, minia nyebema ye currency no enya ahoden the amount of gold reserves a yebenya. We are saying Fanenya, a lot of reserves, American, UK, Europe, even Asia, reserves, the magnitude of reserves are more. Senebeya, se Usikano, Enya, Odi gold, no, Ebeko, Senebeya, Usikano to me stabilizing. On my penny, another down quick for I bet the chair, Haji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And almost shall say, making sure, said the Bank of Ghana, see, on so much me to gold, no more reserve. Ya shall say a reserve gold no kakran. I can appreciate and understand the fluctuations in the war, CD depreciation, any inflation. But inflation, we've been able to manage it a bit. I mean, a bar from kakra, a bar from kakra is gradually being managed. Kakra, it for me, I know say we have challenges in the oil industry, but Ghanaians know very well say a alternative. Now you perceive Ghana Dacia, and this is not a political platform. You none other than Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But also to state so my three topics. Bako a NDC for propaganda almost started from the minority side. Say Nipa 30.
I saw no crowd of police when you say impossible.
Oh, exactly. Me that's it.
Was it any impossible?
Oh yeah, man call. They come as a member of about June. Because no, I'm beside Kofi Adams. Say House of Records, evidence is the game.
Yes.
Yatise. Yatise.
That's it.
And I'm surprised.
Yeah, impossible.
I mean, now but change him.
Oh, yeah.
Now, wants to say, no, the whole minority can do this calculation because our Brazil, no, postage, man. Recruitment, and even the number of people are more far.
That was so sad.
So if you calculate 30 per what the minority is saying,
it's almost 8,000.
We've moved beyond. The number of people are police bit my engage you. And then I'm say Kofi Adams say me jinidi onfa nipa binimu kurana omotime a benefit. Because if you're a parliamentary candidate, you are not yet a parliamentarian for you to enjoy. Fortunately, we got the interior minister too online.
Okay.
And what say as I there Kofi Adams say on person odi dinibe brain okukuem. Ombo baby, baby, and Ghana for this is the move by the new patriotic.
No, Brad,
almost in
the so, Brown was MPs narrative now. Ocean narrative now. Begin say NDC for a person building
any fair minded
and fair minded Ghanaians. What's
narrative. Oh, possibly.
Thank you for your time. Then lawyer posted it. That's it. Gotta be about it.